Welcome to my channel. My name is Kimmy and today I will be showing you my home gym setup. Thank you to Nestea is the best tea for requesting this video. I have a relatively small apartment, so getting the right equipment for my place was really important. Before we get started, I would love it if you guys subscribed and liked this video, as it will really help me out. So I'll be splitting this video into 3 parts. Number 1, I will show you my home gym area. 2, I'll show you all my equipment. And 3, I'll be talking about what you should look out for when purchasing home equipment for your small apartment. I will put the timestamps down below in case you want to skip over to whichever part you want to listen to. For my home gym area, I set it up so that my living room is kind of divided up. So this is the little filming area, that little nook and cranny over there. Here is my couch. And then over here, you will find all my workout equipment. So I have my little dumbbell here, and then I have the 35s, 10, 35s. I have my squat pad, which I use for hip thrusts, a little yoga mat, which I got from Winners, and my beautiful barbell. I would not recommend lying your barbell against your beautiful liquor cabinet that belongs to your father. Here I have some bands, and then I have this gym bag here. In the bag, I have my little barbell clips, my peach bands, and then I have a lighter one, which I purchased from Winners. And this is my skipping rope that I purchased from Amazon. It was just the cheapest one. The first thing I like to do is pull my coffee table to the side to make room for the setup. I will then take my yoga mat and do any sort of warm-up or glute activation, as you can see. Once I'm done with the warm-up, I'll fold the yoga mat in half and put it to the left of the end of my couch to create an even level to place my barbell on. Then I will take my barbell and gently place it onto my rug. Right now I'm clearing off all the accessories and plates that are on the rubber tiling. I'm now placing the rubber tiles to the left and right of the end of my couch, and this is because I like to use the couch as my bench. And I'm now taking my throw or a towel and placing it onto the couch. If you get sweaty, your sweat won't get in the couch, and you could just throw your throw into the wash after to remove the disgustedness. Placing the barbell onto the tiles, and that is my setup. I wrote down 5 things that I very much considered before purchasing my home gym equipment, and I think you should definitely consider them too. How long do you plan on using this equipment? Is this just temporary before the gyms reopen again? Or do you see this as an investment into your future? Maybe you're planning to purchase a home after this small apartment and you want to turn your garage into a gym. When the time comes, I plan on using the equipment for that home gym. That's why I decided to purchase an Olympic barbell in case I get a squat rack. Do you live in a studio apartment? Do you live in a 1-bedroom, a 2-bedroom? Make sure you brainstorm and you have an idea of where to put your equipment away when you're done using it. Say if you're living in a studio apartment, it might be better to purchase one of those little suitcases just so you could tuck away. For me, I do have a little bit more room, so I could move things around so that I can accommodate to my Olympic barbell, which is like 7 foot. How much are you willing to spend on your home gym? Maybe you are going back to the gym and you don't want to invest so much money into your home gym equipment because you will be going back, or maybe you don't even want to go back to the gym anymore. Then you can invest a lot more money into it. You kind of have that extra money from not paying $50 a month to keep your gym membership. Remember that health should be your #1 priority, and it's completely fine to invest a little more cash into your health and your fitness. What type of workouts do you plan on doing? Do you like high intensity body weight workouts, or do you like lifting heavy? For example, maybe the type of workout you plan on doing is high intensity. In that case, you don't have to buy as much equipment. Maybe just purchase a few dumbbells. As for me, I like to lift heavier. I love the feeling of working out with a barbell. And the last thing I want to talk about is the material of weights. Specifically, I will be talking about iron plates versus bumper plates. If you're in a small apartment like me, I would highly recommend purchasing bumper plates because they won't scratch up your floors. Bumper plates are also more gentle in that when you drop them, the impact is not as hard as if you were to drop iron plates. Although I have rubber tiles, I do tend to push the weights off the rubber tiles gently. One more thing about purchasing weight plates, make sure that the diameter of the hole in the middle matches your barbell. So for Olympic barbells, make sure the plates that you're purchasing has 2 inches, whereas the standard smaller barbell is 1 inch. If you live in the Greater Toronto area, I highly recommend Fitness Depot just because it's easy to just walk in and choose all your equipment. So the barbell, the weights, the clips, the rubber tiles, I purchased from Fitness Depot. One of my best friends actually purchased some of their equipment from XTC Fitness. If you want to save a bit of money, I highly recommend Kijiji or Facebook Marketplace. You could purchase some used or new home equipment. And as for workout accessories, I purchased many of them on Amazon. I will have them linked below. So those were my few tips in purchasing home gym equipment for a small apartment. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a like and subscribe, as I will be posting a lot more fitness content. I will talk to you guys later. Bye!